Hi everyone, I'm Coach Corey and I want to demo the single leg quadruped movement test for you. This is a difficult test because it requires you to control your hip and lumbar spine while you're in a position of movement. So it may feel a little bit awkward, but I want you to try to test it out and see where you're at and how well you control your spine. You can use this exercise to work on training your spine and your hip to stabilize when you're trying to add this to your training routine. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you need is a mat, nice flat surface. You'll go ahead and set up on your hands and knees. You want your arms just under your shoulders, shoulder width apart. You want your knees on the mat, shoulder width apart and bent, feet flat on the mat. You're going to alternate movement of your leg and arm, right arm, left leg, and vice versa. So you'll look straight ahead. You'll very slowly control and tighten your core. You'll maintain that while you very slowly lift your arm up and straighten your leg out. You want to maintain this position for a few seconds and then come back down to the starting position. Reset yourself, straighten your arm and your leg, like so. Each time, checking your posture, making sure you're slowly controlling that core, maintaining a nice straight line between the shoulders all the way through the hips. This will show you whether or not you can maintain that posture. Often, you'll see tendencies where arching the back happens or twisting the hip to one side while performing this, or not being able to maintain a straight line, or hyperextending. If you notice any of those when you're performing this exercise, you'll want to use this exercise to retrain yourself. So go ahead and add this to your assessment of your lumbar spine. And if you are weak in this, add it to your exercise routine at the end. Good luck.